Top 6. Best cordless screwdrivers. However, when it's time to choose the right cordless screwdrivers, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best cordless screwdrivers on the market today, so if you're interested in what cordless screwdrivers will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. DeWalt 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit. Number 2. Runner-up. Bosch PS21-2 A12V Max 2-Speed Pocket Driver Kit.
The Bosch 12V Max Lithium-Ion 2-Speed Pocket Driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class compact size and lightest weight. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. Universal 1/4-inch hex bit holder. 20+1 clutch settings. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12V Max Lithium-Ion Quick Charge Power System with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12V Max Lithium-Ion 2-Speed Pocket Driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
Number 3. Best budget. Black + Decker 4V Max Cordless Screwdriver. Number 4. Best compact. Works WX255 LSD Semi-Automatic Power Screwdriver.
Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The Works SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Number 5. Most ergonomic. Black + Decker 4V Max Cordless Screwdriver with Screw Holder.
For the right power, for the right torque, and no more stripped screws. Choose the Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver. Choose your project icon using the exclusive Smart Select dial. Load the retractable screw holder and get great results. The exclusive retractable screw holder with magnetic tip prevents you from dropping screws. Grab and go anytime with a lithium-ion battery that stays charged and ready for up to 18 months. The included wall-mountable charging cradle provides convenient storage for bits. And the built-in LED light provides improved visibility when working in dimly lit areas. The right power for the job in the palm of your hand. The Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver from Black & Decker. From the Black & Decker Smart Select family of tools. Smarter tools, better results.
Number 6. Hi-Chica SD4C. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.